Hey everybody, Handyman here. We are installing some vinyl plank flooring today, and it's a beautiful day here at Grand Junction as always. And so I just want to show you, this is the new stuff everybody wants. Let me pick a piece up here, guys. I want to show this to you here. So this is the wood look. You can see how thick that stuff is. Let me get to this side. I think you can see a little better. That's some thick stuff. It's all vinyl. And the wonderful thing about this, guys, is this is waterproof. So you want this in your bathroom, great. You want to put it by your front door like this and not have to worry about it warping and distorting from water when you carry it into your front doors, perfect. This is great for that. Kitchens, great. It's animals, awesome. Don't have to worry about it. And it's pretty scratch resistant too. It's good stuff. Now, of course, this product right here that we're using today comes from my good friends down at Lumber Liquidators. They supply this for the customer. I forgot to ask them how much this was a square foot. I'm sorry, guys. But if you're looking for something like this, go down to Lumber Liquidators and talk to my good friends down there, guys. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and let's go out here and I'm going to show you some of the tools you need for this. So we'll go out here to the garage. We got it all set up here. Of course, now we'll start with what we're using right now. We got the chop saw for just our straight square cuts. We got a table saw here. We'll sit up so we can do the long runs for it. We're using this right here for some of our small cuts, like around the vents and things like this. You could use this for the whole job if you want it to, guys. Just a little, what do they call these things? Jigsaw. Jigsaw, thank you.
Or a skill saw like this too.
Or, yep, the skill saw works great too. If you don't have any other tools, you could use that and a sawhorse and be able to cut things too. So that's the tools we're using. Now, let me tell you, come out here, guys, really quick.
And a regular wood blade does just fine.
Yep, it cuts with regular wood blade tools and stuff. Now, guys, I'm going to show you this. I don't recommend this method, but if you don't have any other tools, you can do this. This stuff wheel with a utility knife and a good sharp blade. You can score it, and you can break it, just like that. I don't recommend that method. Good way to loosen fingers, cut yourself up. It's hard to work like that, and it doesn't give you a good clean break, as you can see by the fibers right there sticking out. So I don't recommend that method, guys, but you can do it that way if you have to. Let's go back on in here to the house here. And we'll do show some of the prep work we need here. So of course, the first thing you need, guys, is we pulled all the old flooring up. Of course. There's some old snap block laminate here. So we cleaned all that off. Got down here to the good subfloor. Somebody's painted it. That's nice. It's clean. We swept it all, vacuumed everything up, so it's nice and clean. Make sure there's no nails or anything like that. And then the next thing you're gonna do is you underlame it. You see right here. And this is really easy to lay down. You just roll it out. Got this little lip right here. You overlap it. Then you look right here. And you overlap it onto this lip right here, guys. It's got this little bitty tab right here. You get a hold of that, peel it back. It's got some sticky tape right there. You stick it to it, done deal. So that is really, really simple. I see a little bit of crud right here. I'm gonna pick that up really quick. Put it over the side. So, now a tool you will need to buy, guys. All local lumber stores have these nowadays for installing snap block flooring. You need this little block like this. Little plastic block, I want to change that shape. You gotta hook onto the edge of the laminate. And you need this hook block or metal piece right here like that. And make sure, guys, when you get it, try to look for the ones that have this nice little bit of felt down here. You see right here, there's a piece of felt here, a piece of felt here. That helps because you're going to be hooking it onto the pod like that. And you're going to be beating it right here with a hammer. That helps protect your wood surface just from scratches and stuff like that. If you do buy one that doesn't have that, get a piece of felt. Stick it to it. You're going to be happy that you did. So let's go ahead and show how some of these pieces get installed, guys. So now, They recommend a rubber mallet, and if you buy the nice kit that comes with one in it, I like a little bit weighted hammer myself, so that's what I use. And a good magic marker is always handy. So first off, let's flip this piece around the right way. What you're gonna do is, you can work this from either direction. I'm gonna work it from this side. Typically I'm on this side right here, working it, but I'm gonna work it from here so you can see me better. So you wanna get the snap down in there, get it laid down. I like to take my little deal, lock it over the edge, little tap, and as you can see, it's down there nice and flat now. It's in there. Typically I get a little closer than that, but for demonstration purposes, this will be fine. I'll have to, and then I get it right on the edge here. Now guys, this is where you want to be really careful. When you hook this over there like that, you don't want to get it over this one lip right here because you want to break that lip off. But you want to get it on that lip right there. And they make two different lip thicknesses. So you can see, you can use the shallower lip. I don't like to use the shallower lip because it has a tendency to pop loose. And when it does, it can break the edge right here. So I like to use that nice big lip edge. I hook it over. And I make sure I put my thumb or my hand down there and I hold that sucker down on there so it doesn't pop loose. Move it down. Check this, make sure they overlap each other a little bit. If you do have problems with it not wanting to lay flat like that right there, that's what your foot's for, guys. Just reach down there. And voila. It snapped together. So as you can see, it doesn't take a lot to make that hook. So we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna pop one more piece in really quick so you can see me do it here, how I normally do it. Guess what? It'd be handy if I snap that piece in. Yeah, I didn't get that piece snapped in. There we go. Okay. Check it. Good. There we go. Boom. So we're going to go ahead and move down here. This piece here is going to be a cut piece, guys. So this is the way it would normally sit. This is the quickest way. You don't have to use a tape measure, guys. This is the way it normally sits. We're going to turn it around backwards. Like that. Going to go ahead, mark it right even with that edge. Save this piece like that if it's really a good sized piece like this as a first starter down here, guys. And we'll show you that here. Let's go on out here, we'll cut this piece. We'll come back and we'll install it. Always remember, guys, when working with machinery, safety glasses. Like butter. It's the same, pretty much same procedure here. Get it in place. Plastic block. I know the lighting's not the greatest in this house here today, guys, but hopefully you can see everything that's going on pretty well. Now this is where this comes in handy, guys. So you're going to hook it over the edge of that board like that. Then you're going to tap it in place until it locks. Just like that. Now, I'm recording. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. Phone started ringing there. I don't know if you can hear that on your end or not. So, whoever that was, we'll call you back in a minute. Right here, guys, as you can see, I'm going to come in really close here. See the seam right here? I don't know if you can see that very well. Yeah, you can. So that was the end of that board. As you can see right there, there's not a lot of room to do this and this, guys. So what I do in that scenario is I hook the block on there like I would normally. I'm going to show you. With this piece, I'll just stick it right there like that. Hook the block on there like that. Then your long toe, and then hold it, and then tap it. Move it and move it down, lock it into place. So if you get in those spots where you have that little short piece like that, you can do that. Just you want to make sure, guys, you're always holding this like that, getting it down on there, and make sure it doesn't pop loose. If you do hold it a little loose, I wish I had a scrap piece I could demonstrate on, but it can, if you hit it wrong and it pops over like that, it can break this edges right here, wherever you're hitting it at, can break that edge depending on the material and stuff like that. So you want to be extra careful and make sure you got that held down nice and tight. Always keep it nice and tight. So let's go ahead and snap this piece in really quick, just so you see it going down. This stuff goes down really, really slick. I actually like this vinyl flooring thing. I think better than some of the engineered products that they have out there now on the market. This stuff lays down slick. It's heavy. I think we have 300 square feet to lay here, and the shipping label said this stuff weighed over 900 pounds. So it's heavy stuff. It's good heavy stuff. I actually like it. So now here's that one piece we cut off, guys. See? We'll bring it right up here and just snap it right into place, just like that. And that's the starter. Now, of course, guys, whenever you go start any of this product, anything, flooring, go ahead, open up your first box, get down to the bottom, pull out your instructions, and look at it really quick. Now, it shows you the proper way. They want you to snap all those planks together. Now, see, they're showing doing it like that, you know, and there's cutting the door jambs. We didn't show that yet, but if you cut your door jambs, if you have to cut them, guys, that's where a good scrap piece comes in handy. You would just lay it down, take your saw, and use it as a guide, your flat saw, to cut that jamb. We're lucky all these doors are already cut because it had laminate in here before, so we don't have to do that. So it's kind of hard to demonstrate that. But the other thing I want you guys to look at too is right here on this one. Tells you the proper patterns. They want that random looking pattern. They don't want it to be stair-stepped, if you can see on this product. So that's what we're doing. We're trying to keep from having a stair-step product. So always pull out your instruction book or instruction paper as it is. Go ahead and look at that. Just kind of familiarize yourself with the product. Know how it's going to be laid, how they want it installed properly for the warranties and all that stuff. And always use the proper underlayment too, guys. And of course, if you have any questions, always call them or ask who the supplier was with the product. So guys, we're going to go ahead and get this wrapped up today. We'll have some after pictures here. We have some before pictures. We'll be posting them up here soon. If you can find this how-to video, I guess you should say, on our webpage at mightymanhandyman.com. Of course, it'll be on Facebook as well. But you can always find it under the Mighty Man page on the how-to part. Click on that and it'll be on there. And we're on Instagram now and Pinterest. And let's see where else. I'm trying to think of all the places we're at. That's the majority, I think, right now. And of course, you can contact me by calling me, of course, 660-909-1656. You can email me at mightymanhandyman@mightyman.com, or you can message me on Facebook. And of course, if you like this video, please feel free to share it with all your friends and neighbors. All right, thanks guys. Have a great day, and we'll talk to y'all later.